I don't care what they say, what they think. I don't care if they doubt me, if they judge me by my circumstances. I don't care if they look down on me because of my past, because of my failures, because of my limitations. I say, so what? You can complain and stay stuck, or you can choose to commit and work towards becoming someone that no one imagined you could be.
You can make up all the excuses in the world. We've heard them all, but those that succeed in life leave the excuses and look for the possibilities. You might have had it tough, you might have had it really tough, but it won't get any better. If you stay there, you have to let go of the small story and work towards your masterpiece.
You see it often in stories of those with almost the same painful life situations. One chooses to stay in the pain forever, repeating the reasons why they can't achieve, why they can't move on. The others use the pain as their motive, why they have to change. They use their pain as strength. They use the people who don't trust them as motivation. They use them for achieving, not for complaining. Why they can't, when things don't work out. They don't say why me. They say, so what? They say, challenge me.
When things don't work out, they keep moving forward.
If your family is not perfect, so what? If you failed in your past, so what? If you don't know how to start,
so what?
Most people seem to think that life is against them somehow. Very few understand life is hard. That is all. I embrace life's challenges. I plan to improve myself, so I can win not just one day but every day. If they don't trust you, so what? You don't need them to trust you. They're not putting in the effort, you are. They're not growing and learning, you are. They're not dedicated to your dream, you are. They're not passionate about your vision, you are. They don't determine your success, you do. They don't decide if you will put in the work needed to make it, you do.
Nobody gets a perfect life. Every one of us faces different difficulties. That is life. You're not hurting anyone but yourself. With your excuses, you're holding yourself back, no one else. You choose to be the victim or the hero. You choose to be the one who quit because of their problems or the one who triumphed despite their challenges. You choose.
Successful people don't always feel like it. They do it anyway. Take the first step, get some momentum, and don't ever stop working for your dream. If you really want it, you will prepare for it. If you really want it, you will work for it. If you really want it, you will sacrifice for it.
If life doesn't go as planned, so what? It doesn't for anyone. All the pain that's in the past. Do you want to carry it into your future too?
You can stay the victim and live in the pain for the rest of your days, or you can let it go and move on with your life. Leave the pain behind and focus on building your future, full of opportunities, full of growth.
Push yourself, amaze yourself. See how far you can go with your life.
You have the power to change your life. You have the power to overcome any obstacle. You have the power to create your own destiny.
Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Don't let anyone stop you from pursuing your dreams. Don't let anyone make you feel less than you are. You are more than enough. You are more than capable, more than worthy. You are a champion, a winner. You are unstoppable.